Hi guys, welcome to Shemia Studios. Okay, this is not Shemia Studios, and I changed the name of my channel the last time I uploaded the video. And today we are going to install Kali Linux on the Raspberry Pi 3P Plus itself. And I've given a playlist link in the description below, or you can maybe see it at the end of the video. And that is a collection of installing certain OSs on the Raspberry Pi 3P Plus itself, and you can just click on it and let's start. Just remove this and insert this right over here, like this, and inserting here. And you're gonna see that, and you just need to click on cancel. And if you have another OS installed on this memory card, you just need the SD card formatter. Basically, these two are the same storage device. So this is really two of the partitions that is present on my SD card. So just click on format, and for doing this portion, you must select the right storage device, or some of your data may be lost. So the format is all. And next, you will need to go to the the Win32 disk imager. So let me fast forward this. Whoa, that did just finish right now. So I'll show you what you should do. So just go to here and select that file. Open it. So, and this one should be also a caution. You should select your device with the right one here. So it's F really. That's the F. That's my drive. So let me hit on right. So are you sure you want to continue? Yeah, I want to. Yes. Oh, that's too rude. Windows is saying that I did format this. No. Cancel. You know what to do next? Let's turn it back on. That's the Pi, that's the adapter, that's the memory card, and we're not there. Okay. Insert this right over here, and we'll just give the power supply. So it was not here, it was here. And let's insert this right over here. No. I think first we should connect the HDMI so that when the Raspberry Pi is powered on, it can recognize the resolution of the monitor. So never forget that. So next, connect the power. So let's see what's happening there. Okay, that's booting up. And is the boot screen, guys. So I did just forgot to plug in one thing. No, really two things: the keyboard and the mouse. So let's pop it in. So let that be there, and let's move on to the screen now. The default username is root, and the default password is stored. That is the inverse of ROOT. You need to read from right to left, so the opposite of this. And let's try logging in. And guys, that's all for installing the Kali Linux Raspberry Pi 3 B+. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe. And then that's the playlist that I just talked to you about. And that one right over there, you just need to check that out. So bye again.